Welcome to Toolkit.law, your legal tech command center. From the home page, click Tools, then head to the App Store. Open the Productivity Suites accordion to discover legal-specific tools built to work seamlessly with the platforms you already use, like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. Whether you're drafting in Word, replying in Outlook, or organizing data in Excel, Toolkit.law connects your everyday software with powerful legal integrations. Insert templates, run legal calculators, and access real-time tools without switching tabs. Each tool in the accordion includes platform info, compatibility details, and direct access links, so you can choose what fits your workflow. It's legal productivity made smarter, faster, and easier. Explore the Productivity Suites today, and don't forget to sign up for the Toolkit.law Certified User webinar to master your legal tech stack with confidence.